All right, this would be Kingman, Arizona. What, huh?
Golden Valley.
Golden Valley. Fucking beautiful. I got Google Maps. Fuck the location. That is Miss Kimberly, Samantha, Stacy.
Sabrina.
Ah, I love that name. And her puppy dogs. That'd be the other comedian. He already said, hold my beer, but he's got chips and a mean bean. Hey, BBs.
Taco.
But it's, yeah. We can't call it. I like tacos and chalupas.
Who's all having a hamburger?
Huh?
Hey, I'll eat one. Really? You can't translate that?
Who is all having a hamburger?
I'm having one. This is Matt.
You having one, Missy?
Hamburger? Oh, yeah. I only have a hamburger and then a hot dog in hand. I'm going to try. If not, I'll put it in a Ziploc bag. I'll take it home. God, that's beautiful. All right. Oh, shit. That's not going to go to the park messenger. Beautiful, ain't it? All right. This video will go up, and then I'm going to post one more massive amounts of shit being talked to you. I'll get one to your inbox. Please follow the instructions correctly.